Hi guys, welcome back on Cloud Saviors. I was just creating one single subscription, so I thought let me just share it with you. So my screen is already shared. Let me start the video. So see, when you start to create a subscription, then we have to give some kind of a details. So you have to give your country code, you have to give your phone number, then one verification code will be sent to your mobile number. You have to verify it. So I already did it. Let me just verify my code. So we are creating a paid account, okay, not a free account, not a trial account that is already exhausted. So I'm giving my details that needs to be billed in every 30 days. Okay, so again let me repeat myself. We are creating a billing account. We are creating account that needs to pay in every 30 days. Okay, so it is saying provide your debit card or credit card details. That is already given. Let me just check it whether it is right or wrong. Okay, I'm fine with this. Sign up. Confirming your information. It will take some time. Let's wait. In the meantime, you can just click the subscribe button if you like my video, or you can just put any kind of topic that you want me to cover in the comment section. Thank you in advance. You are not eligible for an Azure free account. Why? Okay, free account. You can still Azure by paying as you go with no upfront commitment, cancel anytime. Yes, I want to go with the pay as you go, not a free account. I already used it, that's why. Okay, so let's wait. I agree. Okay, next. Please provide the billing address. It is asking me again. I think some problem in the card. Let me try again. If it doesn't work, then I will use my another card. Okay, that is my billing address. That is right. Next. Getting started as your developer. Okay, so that is something we have to discuss here. So you will get 4 options here. First is Azure developer. Second, Azure standard. Third is Azure professional direct. Okay, third one is like a normal option, that is the basic one. So see, first one, if you are taking it, then you have to pay almost 2000 INR. Okay, if you go with the standard, you have to pay almost 6609 INR. If you go with the third one, that is the critical use of Azure, you have to pay 66,096 per month INR. So what is the exact difference in these plans? So see, it's all about your support. If you need any kind of support from Microsoft engineer, then you can select any of this. As you can read, for individuals or teams looking to quickly and effectively get started on Azure, technical support is available weekdays from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Initial response time under 8 business hours. So if you think that no, I want a quick response time, you can go with this one. As you can see, response time is between 1 hour and 1 business day based on case severity. So severity means like severity 1, 2 and 3. So we have A, B, C. A means very critical, critical failure or critical case, critical ticket, right? So as per your severity, they will give you the engineer, they will give you their time. Okay, third one, if you're running any kind of critical application, any kind of critical production environment, then you can just go with the critical use of Azure. That is cost you around 66,000 per month. That is really costly. Okay, so they will give you like a 24/7 support, a complete technical support for your critical application, for your critical workload. Okay, so definitely we would not need any of this. I would like to go with the not technical support, or I'm already covered through Microsoft Premier support. Okay, so I would like to go with the last one, that is the fourth one. Sign up. It is confirming my application. Let's see if it still it will show any kind of error, then I will try with the another card. I already inform you. So let's just wait. Let's wait for the response. Okay, so perfect. Now I logged in into my new subscription, that is the pay as you go. Again, just to remind yourself, it is not a trial account, it is not a free account, it is a pay as you go. Let me show you subscription. So now you can see it's a pay as you go. As you can see, the first one is Azure for Student Starter. That is my previous account. Today in front of you, what I created, that is the pay as you go. That is means second one, this one. If I click here, that is my completely blank account, and we have created it today only. Okay, as you can see the billing period as well. So let me just go to on dashboard. Okay, so that is the again basic Azure portal. What we know, we all know how to deal with Azure portal. So yeah, this is how you can create your Azure pay as you go account. Okay, so let me go to the costing part as well, costing and billing. So in every 30 days they will send you a bill and you have to pay it. I don't think that's going to be a manual. You have given a card details, so automatically that particular amount will be cutted down from your credit card. So from now, if you are going with the pay as you go, as you can see scope, pay as you go, so make sure whatever you create, please remove it, delete it. Otherwise you have to pay a lot of amount. You will end up paying unnecessary amount on your subscription. So whatever you are creating, no matter whether it is a virtual machine or any kind of a small resource group, make sure you delete it first. The moment your work is completed, delete it. Okay, otherwise you will regret it. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can create your pay as you go account, and that's it from my end. Any topic you want me to cover, please put your queries in the comment section and subscribe the channel. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.